Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer faster. So in this video, I'll be solving the problem minimum number of coins. So let's read out the problem. Chef has infinite coins of denominations of rupees 5 and 10. So he have basically 5 and 10 rupees coins infinite number of times. So find the minimum number of coins chef needs to pay exactly x rupees. Okay, we'll have to find the minimum number of coins in order to make x rupees. Okay, if it is impossible to pay x rupees in denominations of rupees 5 and 10 only, so we'll have to pay it in that case minus 1. So don't worry, I'll be explaining on the board, so it is easy only. It's a gritty problem. So let's take first input. So first line will take, first line has integer t denoting number of test cases. So yeah, this is, so this will take care of all the test cases. I think from the past 60 videos I'm doing same thing for test cases, so I don't need to speak about now this thing. And each test case contains a single integer x. So let's take x. So let me go to the down and see what are examples. They are going three examples. In first example, x is 50. So let me take you to the board and explain you. So what they're saying is, first example, x is 50, which means he needs to pay 50 rupees to someone in minimum number of coins. He have 5 coins and 10 coins, and which are in infinite. He has a lot of coins of that, basically. Yeah. So now, if he wants to give 5 rupees coins, okay, this is 5 up to so on till 10 times. So 5 into 10 times will be, this will be 50. So he'll be paying 10 coins in this case, right? Now let's take this one, 5 coins 8 times plus 10 coins one time. So in this case, our answer is again 50. 50 rupees will be paying. But how many coins he has? Because 8 coins of 5 rupees, we have 8 coins plus 1 coin of 10 rupees we have. So he'll be spending 9 coins. If you see here, he has spent 10 coins. Here he spent 9 coins. So which one is minimum number of coins? This, obviously this one is minimum number of coins. But this is not the answer. We'll have to find the optimal one. So now let's say if he give 10 rupees coins 5 times, 5 10 rupee coins, then it will be 50 only, right? So in this case, if you see, only 5 rupees coin is 5 coins is spending. 10 rupees coin 5 times, only 5 coins is spending. So it is much lesser than the 10 and 9. So, and this is the answer, optimal answer. So let's see that we have 5 here, which is correct. So let me take you, second example, 15 we have. So let's take this, and I'll be telling you how do we solve this. 15 rupees he'll have to pay in order, by taking 5 rupees coin or 10 rupees coin. Now let's take, he give 5 rupees coin to someone, so that is basically 15 rupees, but he's paying 3 coins. Now let's take one more example, wherein he takes 5 rupees coin, and one more coin he'll be taking is 10 rupees. So again, it is 15, but he'll be paying only 2 coins. So 2 is the optimal answer, right? He'll be spending minimum number of coins. In the question they've asked, you have to spend minimum number of coins. So let's first check it, if it is answer or not. Yeah, it is answer. So one more example is that 8. So x is 8. How do we solve this now? Now no matter, like 5 rupee coin, you have 10 rupee coin. If you try to give 10 rupees coin, that is not equals to 8, right? So 10 rupee coin you can't be given. So this is ruled out. Now you want to give 5 rupees coin. Let's say 5 rupees coin you give, but 5 is lesser than 8. So one more coin you will take of 5 rupees, that is 10, which is greater than 8. So obviously in this case you can't make 8 rupees. So in this case you'll have to print -1. So that is the given. So what we'll be doing is, since they have asked to reduce the minimum number of coins, so whatever x we have, we will try to make x by putting 10 rupees coin. So let's say question x was 15. So when x was 15, we will divide, let's say 10 rupee coin, 10 rupee coins. This is one of the variable. In that I'll be taking x by 10, so which will give me 15 by 10, which is basically 1. So 1 10 rupee coin will be taking, and now your x value will be, since 1 your 10 rupee coin you're taking, so it will be, x value will be x minus this 10 rupee coin into 10. So what is x? X is 15. What is 10 rupee coin? 1 we have got from the above. This is 10. So 5 is the remaining, you'll have to pay it. So once we got 1 10 rupee coin, now that is done, we'll take 5 rupee coin. Right, 5 rupee coin, again we'll dividing it by 5. Why I'm dividing? Because by dividing 5, I mean is that this many coins, uh, whatever x by 5 I'll be getting, so this many 5 coins if I give to the person, so like that is basically the number of coins you'll be getting, how many 5 rupees coin you're getting, I mean you'll be giving to person. So in this case 5 is 1, 5 by 5, so it is 1, right? Again 1 rupee, 5 rupee coin 1 you will be taking. So from here 10 rupee coin 1 you have taken, which is 10. From here 1 rupee coin, I mean 5 rupee coin 1 you have taken, which is 5. So it is 15, which is our answer. And again at the end you will have to check if you'll have to print -1 or not. So for that case again x will be x minus 5 coins into 5. So x is 5, this is 1 into 5, which is 0. So when your x is 0, in that case you are confirmed that 10 coins plus 5 coins is the minimum number of coins that will be giving in order to make x. Or else if x has some value greater than 0, in that case you will be printing -1. If you try to apply same formula for this x is equal to 8, so let's take 10 coin. I'll be writing tc. This will be x is 8 basically. 8 by 10 is 0. So basically, yeah, it is 0, which means 10 rupee coins will be 0. 0 10 rupee coins you'll have to pay. And now your x value, new x value will be x minus 10 coins. 10 coins is 0 into 10. So again your x remains as it is, x only, because 0 into 10 is 0. So yeah, now 5 rupee coin I'll be taking. 5 rupee coin is fc, which will be x by 5, right? So it is again 1. So now again your new x will be x minus x was 8 initially, and 5 rupee coin is 1 from this formula into 5. So this will give you 3. Since it is greater than 0, so in this case we'll have to return -1. So I think you guys got to know how to solve this. Let me take one variable 10 coins, which is basically a number of 10 coins, which will be x by 10. And now your x value will be reduced by 10 coins into 10. Now one more variable I'll be taking 5 coins, which is x by 5. Now your x value will be reduced by 5 coins into 5. If you find that x is greater than 0, so in that case your answer is -1. Else your answer is basically 10 coins plus 5 coins, and this is the minimum number of coins that will be spending. We should get 5 to -1. Let's see if we are getting or not. Oh, directly I submitted, yeah, we are getting. And yeah, in this way you could have solved the problem. Basically it is greedy problem only. Whichever coin, like minimum number of coins they have asked, so what is the max coin that you will have to divide your x with that coin, then with the next smaller coin, then with the next smaller coin. If let's say you have 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 10, so in that case you will be going in decreasing order, 10 5 2. If they ask maximum number of coins, so first you will be dividing with the smaller one, 5, and you will be going again with more number of coins. So yeah, in this case you could have solved the problem. So thank you guys for watching the video.